Are you afraid of jumping and hurting yourself? Then this video is for you. First, we're gonna get our legs in order. So I'm gonna have my feet hip width apart, feet poking straight, and I wanna come up onto my toes and back down. So just little heel rocks. So when I come up onto my toes, right, I'm not trying to flail out to the side, right? I'm just gonna come up and right back down. Up, right back down. Notice my legs are straight and I'm using my glutes to help keep myself stable, but I'm not locking out my legs. Next, I like to use this with a TRX. You don't have to, but it helps keep your chest over your hips. So again, feet straight, shoulder width apart. I'm gonna come down, bringing my hips back, and then I'm gonna come up onto my toes. Down, back up onto my toes, pushing my hips forward at the top. Once you feel comfortable with this, you're just gonna add a little teeny tiny bit of a hop, right? So I'm gonna come down, I'm gonna come up, and just pop up off the ground. Down, back up, pop up. Down, pop up. Okay, once you feel more comfortable with that, try to do it without the TRX, okay? So come down, pop up, down, pop up. Next step above just hopping off the ground is we're gonna hop over an object. I like to start with something that's flat on the ground, and this is just gonna help build confidence for you to jump up and over something. Okay, so I'm going here, bending down, pushing it up through my glutes, and I'm using my arms swinging forward to help give me that momentum. Okay, our next step is going to be a 6-inch hurdle. So when we start getting into the actual jumps, the big thing here is I don't want to be jumping with my legs straight, right? I want to think of bringing my knees up towards my chest, not just trying to kick over the hurdle, okay? So no matter what, I'm going to try to bring my knees up as high as I can and jump over the hurdle. So hips back, I'm going to use my arms and land nice and soft. Swing back, up, nice and soft. Once we're more comfortable with the 6-inch, we're gonna go with the 12-inch hurdle, okay? So you see we're nice and slowly progressing. So once you get the technique down for one of them, it should apply for all of them. So now that we've done really well with the hurdles, we're gonna actually move to our box. So this can be a little bit intimidating. What I want you to do is, if you're already getting anxious over jumping up on the box, I want you to track what your thoughts are. Are you thinking of falling? Are you thinking of hurting yourself? Are you thinking of, looking dumb? I will show you an awesome video at the end of this video of me eating dirt twice in a row on a box jump. So, it's not the worst thing that could happen in the world. I'm still here, I'm still alive. And that was like 5 years ago. No one remembers it, except for me, I guess. Okay, so if this is your first time ever doing a box jump, I want you to just do a step up. Okay, so this step up is just gonna tell my mind and my body how far I have to bring my knees up to get onto the box. Okay, once I do a step up, my next step is I'm gonna be doing everything that I just did with the hurdle, and I'm just gonna stay in place and tuck my legs up. Okay, so I'm here. Okay, do I feel like I can get over the box? Okay. Okay, another thing, make sure your hands are closed. I've sprained my finger by swinging my arms wrong on a box jump once. Okay, so now we're gonna jump up onto the box. Okay, so I'm here, I'm swinging my arms back, being explosive, landing all the way on the top of the box, and then celebrate. Congratulations! Okay, so whether this is on the lowest part, the medium setting, or the tallest setting, all box jumps are the same. It all comes from the momentum that you generate through your arms, through your hips, and through your legs. Once you can get that knee all the way up to your chest, you can score whatever jump you want. I hope this was helpful. Thanks guys for watching, and leave a like, share with all your friends. I'll see you guys in the next one.